commence the class. The skill of stimulus variation. Skill of stimulus variation. The topic is structure of human heart. Structure of human heart. So the first concept is meaning of the word called heart. Yes, what is heart? Okay. First, before we understand any concept, we are expected to know the verbal meaning of the heart. The word heart in English is derived out of the Greek word called cardio. What is that? Cardio. Very good. Cardio. Observe on the blackboard, students. Cardio. Cardio means heart. Right? And the expert in the cardio, that is heart, is also known as, yes? Cardiologist. Very good. Sit down. Cardiologist. So, logy refers to discussion in the subject, and logist refers to the person who is expertise in the heart. So now, if I say cardiology instead of heart, is it the same? Is it the same? Yes. In English it is heart, but we also say cardiologist because some words have been taken from the Greek. What is heart? Heart is an important vital organ situated in the trunk part of the body and slightly tilted towards the left side. So, if I draw a straight line of our body like that, slightly tilted towards which side, Jamuna? Left side of the body. Okay? And this organ is a very soft organ, boneless organ, made up of muscles. Hence, we call it as muscular organ. Muscular organ. Embedded in the rib cage. So imagine that this is a rib, and then like that. It is embedded in the rib cage. Because heart is a muscular organ, it requires protection. Like how the bud is protected when the flower is yet to bloom, because it is a very young. Like how a baby is protected with lot of sweater, shawls and other materials, this heart is always protected by the rib cage. And this heart is the size of your left hand fist. Now I make the fist of your left hand, all of you. All of you? Yes. Observe your fist. Are you observing? Yes. This is the size of your heart. Okay? Yes. Have you observed the small babies always holding like that? Have you? Lavanya? Lalaki? Yes. So, how is the size of the baby's hand fist? Supriya? Very small. What is that indicating? Yourself? Jamuna? Heart is very small. So, as you grow adult-wise, the size of the heart is increasing. But it is equal to the left hand fist. Yes? And this vital organ is always working. When you sleep, when you are active, when you are awakened. In fact, when you are running, have you observed running activity? What you have observed, Lavanya? What happens to your heart? Heart increases. Whenever you are having some fear, Joy? Faster, right? So, the heart is a beating organ also. It is a beating organ also. Why there is a beating of that activity? To pump the blood. So now, accumulating all these points, now let us redefine what is heart. Heart is a muscular vital organ which pumps the blood and works through and throughout our life. The moment you are entering into the womb of the mother, it starts beating, and till we are alive, it continues with some variations. And then, when we die, the heart stops. The heart stops the beat. Yes, that is the heart. And when you look at the dimensions, it is the size of our left hand fist and slightly tilted towards the left part of the body, present in the thoracic region, and made up of muscles and embedded in the rib cage. Now, let us observe the heart of a sheep. This is the preserved heart of a sheep. Now, observe Supriya. Can you observe? Yes. Show your friend whether it is muscular or a bony organ. Muscular organ. Yes. Pass it to Jamuna also. Yes. Now, others, observe here. This is a model prepared by one of your friends by using the waste material, unwanted material, the material to be thrown, reused here. This is the model of the heart structure. Now, how is the shape of the heart by observing this Vijayalaxmi? Yes, how it is? Shape of the heart. Yes, tell me whatever you get. Like this is it now? Yes. What do you see in Kannada? What shape? Apple shape. Badami akara. Triangular. Cone shape. Is it not? So many shapes can be compared. But the medical science says it is a conical shape, tapering towards the end, broader at the upper side is the shape of the heart. Okay, so as you see, you also feel certain internal aspects. Is it chamber? How many chambers? Observe it. 4 chambers. Write the number on the blackboard. Write the number. How many chambers? See and write. 4 chambers. Yes. Very good. Is she right? Yes. 4 chambers are there, and it is separated also. How do you say chambers? That means they are separated, and like that. Why it is separated? How these tubes are connected? What is the role of these tubes? We will see in the internal structure. Okay. But here, when we look at the structure of the human heart at the outset, it is a conical shaped 4-chambered blood pumping, muscular, and are you controlling your heart? No. Now do like that. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Did you do that? Close your hand. Open. Is it controlled by you? Yes. Like that now. Increase your heartbeat. Then such organs which are not in our control, what are they called as, Joyline? Involuntary organs. So when we extend the meaning of the heart, it is an involuntary 4-chamber blood pumping muscular. Now, Rashmi will give, yes, tell what is the heart. What is heart? Can you just come here and hold it in here? Yes. The help of this. Students, observe. Keep observing. how she is explaining.
Heart, this is a heart. It is in a conical shape, it is also called as mantle shape, and it consists of 4 chambers. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is separated by a partition, and it has certain structures like aorta, atrium, and etc. And this is an involuntary organ because it functions non-controlled irregular. So according to our will, it doesn't work. So it is called as involuntary muscles. And
Yeah, very good. Clap for her. Clap. Now this is a model to show that how the heart looks. Okay, when you open the body of a dead man or by a doctor to operate, how it looks. Okay, so this is indicating some aspects: impure blood and pure blood. Suppose you insert blue color and red color in the cups. Okay, it will be directly going to the heart. So it shows slightly how the heart gets the blood and it is pumped. Suppose you press here, again it goes back to that. Okay, so after the class you can come and work over that. Now, based on the structure, let me draw the heart. Students, you all open your book and draw the structure of the heart. Are you all observing? Observe the shape. Draw the shape and draw the 2 layer and maintain that they do not touch each other, and then the orange color that is filled in between is a fluid, and as you all have already studied in your previous classes, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chambers are there, and then number of tube-like structure that are connected to the organs inside the heart. Okay, let us give numbers to each, and later we will see the aspects of the function of them in our next class. Okay, but now, yes, keep drawing like this. When you draw biological drawing, students, you should not use any instruments. Freehand drawing. Use your eraser and then make a shape of it. Yes. Now, what color you saw in that? Supriya, you fill it. I am giving you 2 colors. One is blue and the other one is red. Yes. You want some help to draw? Fill it? Yes. She is filling the colors. These colors are indicating pure blood and impure blood. Good. Is she rightly filling? Yes, ma'am. Yes. You also fill it. Okay. Okay. Okay, Supriya. Okay. So this is how the appearance of the heart occurs. Now, when we learn about the function, every part of the heart is very important. Later we will say. So this is heart, and then this heart always has a 4 chamber, and it is 3 layers: the outer layer, the inner layer, and the middle layer. Can you rhythmic. Okay, Viti, Swati. Some uniformity is there, some meaning is there like that. Epicardial layer, endocardial layer. There is a fluid. So what can we name that fluid rightly? It is, if there is a layer, then it is a mesocardial layer. It is a fluid. Pericardial fluid. Very good. Clap for Ayesha. Yes. Pericardium. And the fluid is called pericardial fluid. Yes. Pericardial fluid. Now, what is the role? Could we just think over what is the role of this fluid? Protection of the heart. As you know, it is a muscular layer. It requires a lot of protection. It is a vital organ. The moment you go to the doctor, what does the doctor do? He will check the pulse and test the heart beating with the stethoscope. So the pulse beating and the heartbeat is a very vital knowledge for the indication of the health. Hence, yes, the heart is to be protected. So it is well protected by the rib cage from the external aggression, and if at all there is a hurting of the heart, then the pericardial fluid absorbs the shock and protects the heart. Now students, when you get up in the morning, you are expected to follow certain rules by your parents. What do they say? You are showing as an indication. What do they say? Before getting up. Very correct. Awake by turning towards the right side. Right side. Now, because anything is related to that? Yes. Vijayalaxmi. Yes.
ಹಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಭಾರ ಬೀಳದೆ ಇರೋ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೆದರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಮೇಲೆ
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವೆರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಲಗಡೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದು. ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. So I think you are in Kannada medium, very well understood, but you are trying to answer very good. So the heart is protected when we do not put stress on the, when you get up ready, when you are stressing that. So if you stress this side, heart is little protected. So whatever your parents have guided you is also scientific, and it is also going to help for the heart. Now sometimes your mother also says, don't eat this, don't eat that, eat this. Is it related to anything to the heart? Supriya, answer me why your mother insists is very good. That she says, don't eat this, eat this. What does she say not to eat? Oily foods. What is provided, what is forced to eat, or what is encouraged to eat? Vegetables, fruits, very simple food, right? Sit down. So oily food, junk food are not good for heart. So that is the reason our ancestors, our home elders prepare a very healthy food and also insist us to provide the food. So heart is an indicator of the health. Heart is a organ which is involuntary doing a work. Now we as a person should protect our heart by observing the place of the heart, by observing the size of the heart, by observing the dimensions of the heart, and looking at the structure. Don't you think it requires a lot of care and protection? Yes. So in today's class, students, we learned about the structure of the human heart. In our next class, we are going to learn about the function of each specific organ in the organ called heart, and how it is a vital involuntary organ. Yes? Is that point clear to you? Yes. Any questions? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Thank you all students for the